As a government, we are prepared to transition our grade 9s to grade 10 using the 3 pathways, that is STEM, social sciences, arts and sports, creative arts and sports. We are going to ensure that capitation is in this week, and in fact it was released yesterday by Treasury. We expect it today in the ministry, and by end of week it should be in the school account, so that the learners and the head teachers do not have any challenge, because it's a short term. So we are now moving to ensuring that the textbooks for grade 10 are being prepared and will be in schools by December, so that the transition is smooth. You are also aware that we are doing 1,600 laboratories, which will start next month, and by December they'll be fully done and properly the instruments will be in place. So we are moving towards that transition as smoothly and making it as smooth and as seamlessly as possible.